It started like any other night, just me, my laptop. Then the screen glitched.
I turned slowly, expecting to see something behind me. But there was nothing there.
Everyone is talking about this new AI tool, but nobody is showing you the right prompt. I tried it without a prompt and it was messy, like you wouldn't have any tangible result. But the moment I used this prompt that I'm going to be sharing with you on the screen, try and screenshot it if you can. Everything changed. Use this format and try it with yours and you're going to see like the magic. This new AI tool is epic, guys. So this is the exact prompt you are going to be using. I'm going to paste it on the screen so you guys can go ahead and screenshot it. Oh my god. So guys, this looks like a movie. In fact, if your AI video looks bad, it is not the tool, it is your prompt. Follow me, I will show you how to create viral AI content for free. So the very first thing you are going to do is, as I will be typing, you can use your phone and go do alongside. I'm going to show you what to do if you are using your phone, okay? Now type in this Opal, just Opal, okay? Yeah, and then you are going to search using your Chrome browser. You can use your mobile phone or your PC. Now I'm using this PC now to make everything to be so clear so that you can understand how this works. But it's the same pattern if you are using your mobile phone. But mobile phone is very tiny, so I didn't want you to stress your eyes. So I have to use my PC to bring it and make it large and bold for you to see what I'm doing, so that you'll be able to follow alongside. Do you understand? So this is the first AI. This is the first tool you are going to select. This is a tool. So go ahead and select that tool. I've used it before. If you've not used it, okay, before, this is what is going to happen. Now, every platform you log into, remember, every platform you open, you must either sign in, of course, sign in, or you sign up. First you sign up and then you sign in. So I'm going to come here where you have this. I hope you can see my mouse. Then click this sign in button. Now I'm going to display place my mobile phone on the screen right away. So you see where you have to change it to desktop version, so that you'll be able to have access to all the information that you'll be seeing on the PC. All right, I always prefer using a desktop version because it captures the entire screen, so you'll be able to, else you'll not be able to do it. I don't want to hear in the comment section, I tried it and it didn't work with phone because you didn't do it well. But if you follow this step by step, you'll get it right, trust me. But except you don't watch the video to the end. Yes, so select the email of your choice. I'm going to select any email of my choice, okay? And it's going to, sign me in and, open me to another. Select all. Tick here and everything here will be selected. You can see, right? Everything is selected. You go ahead and continue. Your mobile phone is going to show you like this, okay? Now, the reason why I say you should use desktop version is so that you can see everything. If you don't use desktop version, you will not have access to this platform. So quote me right. Okay, so the moment you finished selecting all of those things and it locked you into this interface, now look at what it says. Welcome to Opal. We are excited to have you. We are excited to see what you build with Opal, a no-code tool to help you create, edit, and share AI workflows and mini apps. We respect your privacy and we do not use your data to train Google's AI models. Let us know if you like to involved with future research studies or hear about the latest and greatest from Opal, right? This is beautiful. So this is for me to receive emails from them. So you can tick it, you can leave it unticked if you don't want, if you're not okay with it. So me, I will take it because I would love to know more what is ahead of this platform. So go ahead and confirm. The same thing, please, where you don't understand, you can pause the video and, okay, I don't want it to be very long. That's the reason why I have to use my PCs to make it very fast for us. So now, this is the interface. This is amazing. This is beautiful. I love it. So here you can create book recs, business profiler, a lot of things. Create a playlist, fashion stylist, a lot. So you can find your time and explore all of these tools, okay? It's unlimited. Now you look up here, you're going to see, same with your mobile phone, you're going to see create new, okay? I hope you can see. Please, if you are following, if you are doing alongside, type in the comment section, let me know. And if you didn't get the prompt, just let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna still paste it, so don't skip any part of this. Now when you come here, now you see, like I told you, every time you want to prompt an AI is not human. Whatever thing you give to AI gives you back. If you give the wrong prompt, you get the wrong result. So I'm going to paste it. Here is where I'm going to show you the prompt. So get set to screenshot the prompt, okay? Let's head over to my ChatGPT and I will show you the prompt, okay? So you copy it and let's use it right away. Now I'm going to screenshot. I'm going to show you the prompt to copy, okay? So wait for me. Now this is the prompt. Now if you are and start using it, that is the prompt you have to use. Now paste it here where you have the scribe here, okay, where you have this input. I hope you can see my screen. Exactly. So paste it here. The moment you paste it here, go ahead and send it, okay? Watch what is going to happen. Your preview is going to show you. Your app will appear here once it's built. So let's go ahead and proceed. Okay, so I've extended it so you can see it. See, describe the scene characters. This is scene, this scene description. Describe, run from here. I don't want to run from here. He said video length. This is a step by step. So the first one, we are going to describe this, the scene description, okay? And we are going to give the video length, and we are going to give additional elements if include music, text overlay, or specific transition. And then after you've given these three things, these three information, it's going to create video instruction. It's going to combine all provided details from the application, okay, description, from this description you are giving, and user input, scene description, video, everything you're going to use, everything you're going to provide, okay, all these things we are going to provide, scene description, video length, and additional element if there is any. Then once you've given all of this, it's going to give result. The result is going to be generate cinematic video. Now this is going to generate a short form cinematic video, right? Yes, this is it. It's going to generate a short form cinematic. Look at it here. Use video generation to, yes, exactly. So it has given us, this is an expanded, console. So we are good to go, right? Now, understanding all of this, now this is a structure, okay? Don't be confused, okay? This is a structure telling you that, okay, guy, this is what I want you to do. Give me scene description. This is the number one thing. Give me the video length. Then the second one, give me additional element if you have any. So we are going to start right away. All right. So guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Guys, are you getting excited? Is it getting interesting? I hope it's clear. It's not confusing. Please understand the process. So the next thing we are going to do here is to create this start, okay? Start. We are ready to start something. So it said type or upload your response. Number one, it says you should describe the scene, characters, and emotions. I don't want to skip it. You can skip it, but I don't want to skip it. So I've already gotten my scene description. I'm going to copy everything here. Okay, like I said, if you need the prompt, please tell me. I'm going to pin it, okay? But I want to be sure that you are following the process. So I don't just waste my time pinning it and nobody is using it, okay? Just let me know and I will drop it for you, okay? It's very open and free. All right, so that you can practice with it and then start creating using the whole sample. Do you understand? Go ahead and paste it here. Okay, perfect. I'm going to ask you specify desired result length. Example 15 to 20 seconds. Do you understand? So if you can, from your own description, do you understand? You should be able to know the length. Okay.
Now you're going to head over to copy this additional element, okay, so that we can use it in that specified desired video length, okay. Now you're going to add all of this information. This is generated for me using ChatGPT, okay. So if you need it, then we are going to, of course, go ahead. So copy that desired length. I need 15 seconds. Yeah, of course, let's use it. Copy it to the space that is provided. Then the next thing that is going to pop up is additional elements, additional information, maybe music. You have other things you want to include. So you go ahead and come back to ChatGPT and copy this particular one additional element and place it there. Then the next thing is this. Next thing is this. The platform will start thinking. Okay, once you start thinking, it's generating, it will be gathering all this information, and then you look down there, you're going to see share option, or you download file. That download file is going to come as a zip file that compressed. So if you are using a PC, you'll be able to unzip it in your desktop. Okay, but if you want to share it into your document like your Google Drive, you can use it via the link. Now this is the zip file that you have to go ahead and extract it. Yes, once you're able to extract it, you open that folder, you're going to see the video, all the videos that will be there. So if you have more videos generated, so let me play for you to see the outcome. Now personally, I made this video. Okay, so I would use a voiceover. Okay, now this one is for voiceover, doesn't have any sound. So the next step, okay, the next way you can generate the video that you saw in the intro, in my intro, the beginning of this video, is this. Please, so once you log in again, okay, now this method now is very clear. Okay, it shows up follow up. Okay, it's different from the first method I showed you. Now this is a second method that is going to actually help you fast forward your activities. Now go ahead and click this create new. All right, the moment you create new is going to bring you to this interface. So this is where you're going to click. Remember the first one, we only use the user input, which is we started from here, right? This is the second method. Come here, generate. Now once we generate this, you're going to have interface like this. Now this is where you're going to place your prompt, and here is where you're going to select your agent. So I'm going to select VO3. Okay, this VO. Let's get our prompt. So I'm going to use this as an example prompt. Okay, then once we get our prompt from ChatGPT, we head back to our console. Now where you will see place your prompt, okay, where you see prompt, you are going to place everything. Now this is what I did. I copied everything, right? Both the image prompt, the animation prompt, the style, the voiceover, copy everything, because I want this video to speak, I want it to talk. So copy everything. So once you are done, click on that preview. Once you click on that preview, it's going to bring you here. Everything is going to enter into this icon box, right? Play button, that's little play button there. Once you click that little play button, it will start generating, like thinking and and all of that. In just a few seconds, your video is ready. This is what you use to generate videos, many videos. So if you want to change this video, maybe create another scene, copy the prompt and click on this box, okay, to edit it. Once you edit, click the play button and you have your video. Once you are okay, you go ahead and hit that download button and your video is good. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this particular AI tool. Remember, it's free. You're not required to use any credit card, no input of any credits, nothing, and you have to create at least 10 videos daily. That is the daily limit. Let me know what you think about this and see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching to the end.